Fat rat.
We're over here kicking it in the bay for all you YouTube peoples who be clicking in, but for real, got a shout out to all my Usos back home in the 816, Jackson County in the house, Chico G, Shelley, everybody, all the Usos back home doing the damn thing, pushing the music to the fullest. Yeah, you know, what we're trying to do is just network with all our peoples around everywhere. You know, we're here in the Bay right now, you know what I mean? DaDivaz Entertainment in the house, certified entertainment in the house.
Yes, sir.
That's what it's about. Yeah.
Spawnbreezie,
hey, man. You want to say something to the camera? You didn't even...
I'm gonna make up on.
Come on.
DaDivaz.
For real.
No.
We're trying to do big things. Everybody got to hook up a network.
Don't fight them. Put your face in your undahwea.
And your underwear somewhere.
Under my chair.
Under your pillow. Tyler, you just messed up the video.